found something we can do on a very cloudy day. And since she was talking about birds, we saw a lot of birds outside. She wanted to make one. So now we're going to use a watercolor paper, some colored application paper, scissors, glue, paint, and whatever we can find here. Enjoy! We decided to make an orange head and green body. So first we're going to draw a circle. I decided to use a little circle shape and just trace it over. She's going to do this one, and I'll do the other one. Now for the body, we're going to use green paper and draw an oval shape. An oval. So we decided to do pink wings. I'm going to draw them out. These are the shapes that we drew. Да, вот я сделала уменьшить. Тоже хочешь уменьшить?
Да.
Так, интересно, сделаем уменьшить. This is for the tail. For the feet, I'm going to do half circles. So what I did here is I did a half circle. If you can see that. Half circle. And I folded the paper in half so that when I'm cutting it out, I have two identical feet. So just like that, I have two identical feet that I can layer one over another. We also decided to make a yellow beak. So we're going to cut off two triangles. I'm going to make my bird on one side and she's going to make her bird on the other side. So I'm going to start with the little tail. This is what we ended up with, two little birds. Now, the ideal thing for the eyes would be googly eyes, so you could glue that on top. But we don't have that, so we're going to make them out of white paper and then draw a pupil inside. Watch. Okay, now watch how we can do that. Now, we already have some pictures drawn on that, so we're pretty much going to reuse parts of it. Now once again, for the identical eyes, I fold that in half, like that. Just that little piece. De más. have two little circles. And now the rest of the people we're going to draw with a marker. I hope you enjoyed our little project. So if you liked what you saw and you would like to see more videos, please click on like and subscribe, and we'll work with you again. Decided to finish it a bit and draw a little branch on which they're walking on. And that's it.